Hello, how are you? I hope you are fine. In previous lecture of HTML5 series, we learned about iframe tag. In iframe tag, we embed a web page within a web page. We embed a YouTube video in a web page. Also, we embed a doodle maps in a web page. I hope you understand it very well. You learn and enjoy a lot by the video. Today, we will learn about video tag in HTML5. If we want to create a video sharing website like YouTube, then this is the basic practice of static HTML video website. Let's get started now. I will open my editor. I will make new file. I will set the title of a web page. I will save the file. File save with a name video tag. Video tag have the opening and closing tag, right? Also in video tag there is a tag of source, but it have only the opening tag. So we are using tag within a tag. Source. In source there is an attribute src source and type. In type we will give video slash mp4. We can give the type OGG also. I have already downloaded a video. Its name is Introduction of HTML. To see the extension of this file, right click on the properties of the video. It's .mp4 and it is in the videos folder, right? And file is located in the HTML5 folder, right? So I will do videos slash, I will copy the name of the file, right? So there will be no typing mistake by using this style, right? .mp4. I will save the file and open the file in the browser, right? You can see it shows the black screen. There is no button control are visible here, right? So for this there's an attribute of control we will use in the video tag, right? I will save and reload the page, right? Here now the play button, timeline, time and sound are visible here. I press the play, then it will run, right?
Hello, how are you? I hope you are fine. Today we will start HTML5 series. What is HTML? HTML is the standard mark.
But here the video is shown on almost whole web page. So for this there's an attribute of width 600 pixel. If you will not type, then it by default take it pixel, right? Height 400 pixel, right? I will save and reload the page, right? Now it will show 600 width and 400 height, right? If you want to autoplay the video on opening, then we play autoplay attribute in video tag, right? I will save it and reload the page.
Hello, how are you? I hope you are fine. Today we will start HTML5 series.
But in some browser it do not allow autoplay. If video is not autoplay, then there's some notification shown in the browser in this area or any other area of the browser, you must allow to autoplay the audio and video file, right? Now I will remove the autoplay because I want to some more files on the web page, some more video on the web page. So I copy and paste it, right? I will save it and reload the page. Now now you can see it on a web page. There are three videos are visible here. We can play it.
Hello, how are you? I hope you are fine. Today we will start HTML5.
You can see it by pressing on the video. It start. I will upload the file on internet. Please find the download link from the description of the video. For any query or issue, please comment me in the comment section of the video. Thanks for watching the video. Take care.